Welcome to SNC's video series on our IntelliLink and IntelliTeam Designer software. This is a series of training videos to help users get more comfortable with using SNC setup software. The series will cover a wide range about both softwares, and in this video, I will show you how to download the SNC IntelliLink Setup and IntelliTeam Designer software from SNC's customer portal. You will notice that annotations may pop up throughout these videos, as you see here in the upper right-hand corner. If you want to know more about that topic, you can click the link and it'll open a new video that explains that topic in detail. You can also just ignore them. IntelliLink is an application used to set up and interrogate SNC controls, including the IntelliRuptor, Fault Interrupter, 6800 and 6801M series control, the IntelliNode interface module, and IntelliCab capacitor controls. IntelliTeam Designer, on the other hand, is used to automate an entire system of controls using SNC's self-healing logic known as IntelliTeam 2 and IntelliTeam SG automatic restoration software. To download these applications, you must first access SNC's customer portal. Using a standard web browser, navigate to SNC's homepage at snc.com. In the top right corner of the site, you will find a link titled Customer Portal. Click on this link. This will take you to the login page. I recommend bookmarking this page to avoid performing these steps in the future. Here you will find several links. If this is your first time logging into the portal, then make sure you read the End User License Agreement and third-party end-user license agreements before going any further. If you don't have a customer portal account, then you will need to fill out the requested information on the bottom of the page. Before you click Submit, make sure in the How Can We Help You field, you explain why you need access to the portal and what SNC products you will be using. You will receive an email confirmation with your account information within the next 24 hours. If you have a customer portal account but have forgotten the password, click on the Login to Secure Site link and then click Forgot Your Password. When prompted, enter your username and click Continue. An email will be immediately sent to you with a link to reset your password. I believe we are finally ready to log into the customer portal. Enter your username and password information, and then click Login. After the page is completely loaded, you will see SNC Customer Portal written across the top of the page, and you will find different tabs labeled Home, Workspaces, Activation File, ITSG Licensing, and Cases. The home screen provides basic instructions on viewing workspaces, opening support cases, and how to contact our support center directly by phone. The Workspaces screen is the content management space where users can find product installers, release notes, and product literature. Clicking on the All Workspaces drop-down menu will open a list of workspaces assigned to your account. Both IntelliLink and IntelliTeam Designer require a license to activate. You'll find that in the Activation File section. The activation file will only be available after you register your computer's MAC address. Please refer to the activation video for further instructions. The ITSG licensing screen is only available after you've purchased IntelliTeam software licenses. This section allows you to track account, license, user, and asset information. The Cases screen allows you to open a support case. To download the software, please return back to the Workspaces screen. In this example, we will be using the IntelliRuptor installer, but the same software can also be installed using the other product installers. First, scroll down the list of workspaces and select IntelliRuptor software. Once selected, click Search, and the IntelliRuptor content page will open. This workspace includes the latest installer and release notes, which are highlighted in yellow, and all previous versions of the installer. Since the installers are backwards compatible, meaning they work with all firmware revisions released before it, you always want to install the latest version. Click on the IR installer link. Select a destination folder where you have read/write privileges and click Save. Wait till the download is complete. To download the IntelliTeam Designer software, the process is very similar. Select IntelliTeam SG software from the drop-down menu and click Search. Locate the latest IntelliTeam Designer Setup installer and click on it. Once again, select the destination folder where you have read/write privileges and click Save. Wait till the download is complete. If you're having problems downloading these software applications, please open a support case or give our support center a call.